Okay, so now we've finished the external makeup, this is what we're left with internally within the room. So this is ready for the first fixing of electrical or plumbing requirements. Now how the frames are engineered is they come with these service holes through the frame. We've got two at the bottom and there are various ones coming up through the frame. Okay, obviously if you run your cable straight through there, you're just going to get ripped to shreds. So we have grommets, we pop in as required to run our cable straight. Okay, so the next stage we do is then, once all the first fix of electric etc is in, we like to full fill insulate within the frames. So our preferred material choice is Rockwool RWA 45. So not only is it a good heat insulation, it acts as great sound deadening as well. Obviously there are other options out there. You can use any sort of mineral based insulation, so this is just our preferred choice. So this one comes in slab form. And we literally take our slabs and cut them to size. So we want to measure to cut our panel, our insulation slabs in. So what we want to be careful of is where the studs are C-shaped, we want to make sure we get the insulation nice and deep into them C studs. So we want to make sure we fulfill this cavity. So we've got to go inside of the C stud and inside of the C stud. So if I take my tape, I want to go to 520mm on the length. And then for our height, we're going to again go into the top C stud. But with this noggin, obviously we just butt down to the top. So we're going to go 975. I'll just mark it with the knife. Get my straight edge. And just a few passes with the knife until we're through. You can use a handsaw, personal preference. I just find this way a little quicker. And then it is just as simple as I'm going to slot one side in to start with. Top. Make sure that's all the way in. Fold the other side in. Again, making sure that goes into the C stud, just to make sure we haven't got any cold spots. Push her in, and then that one's done. So when we've got the K braces, we still need to make sure we get the insulation in all these pockets. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the slab to size, excluding the K brace. And then we're simply going to mark where the K brace falls on that slab, cut that section into two, and then fill either pocket. Okay, so we've got our slab cut to size for this pocket here, and I know that my flat metal side is on the top of this K brace. So I'm just going to take the measurements, which I've got 400mm, and then I'm going to take the measurement down, which I've got 830mm. So I want to make sure I get this cut the right way up, so I'm going to use that corner there. So I'm going to come across to the 400mm line, come down to the 830 line, and literally just cut between them two lines, and that should give me my two sections. Make sure we get that right inside the C stud. Just not optimum insulation. And then our off cut, we'll do the other section.